Pretty Pie PuniPuni tutorial. Let's make some squishy little pies. Rub the mold down with a thin layer of Vaseline to act as a barrier. This stops the squishy gel from fusing with the mold. Mix equal parts A and B of the squishy gel with a tiny bit of pigment. Remember, a little goes a long way, so add a small amount of color first. Carefully fill the pie crust mold. Be careful to not overfill or spill. If you do spill, clean up extra with a Q-tip. Fill in details with a Q-tip or detail tool. Let this first layers cure at least 2 hours before adding your second color to avoid colors mixing together. Top up the molds with the rest of the final color and let cure. Demold by slowly rolling the edges until the piece peels out. Be very careful demolding the lattice so it doesn't break. Support each new section with your fingers as you peel it out. Layer your pieces, bottom crust, filling lattice, then crust edge. Take your time adjusting the lattice until it's evenly placed. Wrap your edge around the whole piece, then cut off any excess. Add your finished pie to one of our PVC keychain bags for mess-free squishing. Squish, squish.